Have you ever tried creating a real estate flyer? Anyways, this is what a real estate flyer looks like, and I'll be walking you through the design process. So join me as we start designing this again from scratch. So the size of our design is 15 by 19, and we head over to our elements to search for a background. So we just search for smooth white background. So we'll be using this particular one, got the name white background. So white background, to use this one and set image as background, set image as background. Next is to import the photo of our house. So it's a real estate flyer, and obviously there needs to be picture of a house. So we remove the background and we crop it. So we increase the size, bring it down towards the side. So after adding our house, next thing is to add the shape. So we add this box shape, bring it over here, we increase it and drag it down, and we send it backwards. So layers, so send it backward, we duplicate it again and we bring it over here, decrease it, and we decrease the size, we bring it here, decrease it a little bit, and then increase the length, and we make the corner a little bit round. This 35 is okay. 35 is okay for the corner rounding, and done. Next thing is our logo. So we're using this as our logo. We bring it here, reduce the size. Before we start working on this, let's add all the elements we need. Next, we need this kind of cloud effect. So just add it here, and we send it backward. We duplicate it, we bring it to this side, and we are done with that. So this house, we duplicate it and we bring it here. The position should be backwards too. But we reduce the size, and we reduce the transparency. So we reduce the transparency, let's say 20. We duplicate it, bring it here. Position should be backward to back. Yeah, so next thing is to add this kind of bird effect. So it looks like a bird is hovering over around the houses. So bird effects. So we can use this. So we just sent it backward one, so it look like it's at the back of the tree, and we don't really want the bird to be much, so we add these ones. These ones, they look too big, but we reduce the size and we place it here. So next thing, we add this kind of trusted seller badge. So we add this, so we bring it here, increase the size, and we have this here, a tag. So for the tag, we'll be using this one, and we kind of place it. So let's zoom in. We place it in a way that it look like is actually maybe a material that is attached to the house. So we place it here, we tilt it a little bit, so we place it here, and let's zoom out. So if you look at that, you think it's something that's attached to the house. So that's the essence of adding that. And we have our call icon. So we have this, and so we also add this our circle shape, and we are good with this. So first of all, the color of this needs to be this color. We reduce the size, we bring it down, and we also change the color for this to white. To change the color to white, we reduce the size, and we position, say layer, and we bring it forward. So we reduce the size. So we place it here, increase it a little bit. This also we duplicate this. When we duplicate it, we reduce the size, we bring it over to the side. So we place it here and we zoom out. So the last element for this is the sun. So we'll add this. It look like the sun is shining towards the building. So add it here, reduce the size, reduce the size, and the transparency too. We reduce this to 50. So now that we've been able to build up this template, we can now start adding our tests. So first of all, our first test is city homes. City homes. So we place this here. We reduce the size. So we have this here. Next is we bring it here, and we edit it. So we edit it to dream house. Dream house, increase the size, and the font. So we're going with impact. We're using impact as the font. Next thing is to increase the size, the line spacing, decrease the line spacing. We bring it up here, change the color to white. So we increase the size. So next thing, we duplicate it, and we bring it here, change the color to white, and we edit it to find your find your dream house. So we increase the size, reduce it a little bit, and we duplicate this too, and we edit this to with low price. So find a dream house with low price. So we are almost done with this particular part, and now let's work on this base. So we duplicate this too, bring it here. So first of all, we edit this to book now. So book now, we reduce the size, and we place it here, and we duplicate this, we bring it over to this side, change the color, let's use the black color and add our phone number. So I'll just add my contact. So you can use this number to contact me on WhatsApp in case you need my services, and if you need private coaching too, either on any of the skills, graphics designing, video editing, or web development. So anyone, to just use this number to reach me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. So back here, I'll just place this here, or I can increase the size of this to 25 and we duplicate, and we edit this to, now we add something like website www.cityhomes.com. So cityhomes.com. So we reduce the size of this. Let's see, 20. Okay, 20 is good, and we place it here too. Okay. Now this, we are done with this part. Let's work for this part. So I'll just write the stuffs. So we have the 3 bedrooms and 2 living room, and we give it a bullet. So this is more like the features of the house, and we duplicate, bring it over to this side, and we edit it. So next thing is cinema. The house has a cinema, and it is a smart home. You should understand what I mean by smart home. So smart home, and lastly it has a security system and 247 power supply. So we place this one here, we place this here too at the middle. So we are not yet done. There is one effect we've not added, which is the shadow effect. So we head over to our effect and we search for shadow. So we'll go with this one, bring it down here, and replace it well. So increase it. So the position should be backward. So after adding this, we still have our price tag again. We'll add the price tag to the house. So just duplicate this, duplicate it, and let's edit it to 90 million. So that's the price of the house. Reduce the size, reduce the size, and we zoom in to place it well. So we tilt it a little bit too. So now it looks like this 90 million is written on this tag, and 90 million words. So we have to add another text. So 90 million naira, and we change the color to white, bring it down here, tilt it also, and we reduce the size. So here we have the 90 million naira, and this shadow too, we duplicate it and bring it here, to reduce it, and the transparency should be very low. 25 is okay, and the position. So send it backwards, duplicate it, bring it here too, and the position we send it backwards. So with this we can see that we are done with this design. And if you like the outcome, if you enjoyed the video, if you learned one thing, at least one thing from this video, ensure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment.